Who doesn't like going out into the garden and picking a fresh strawberry, especially if it's one like this called Just Add Cream. The flavour, goodness, it's so sweet and fragrant, and you don't need a garden. Here I've got 3 hanging baskets, and Just Add Cream happens to have a very pretty pink flower, as well as perpetual fruiting, that is from June pretty well through to the frost, if you keep them really well watered and a little bit of potash feed every now and again. You'll find they'll produce some runners, and you can slip those into a pot, they'll root, and you'll have more strawberries next year. The tip, if you're growing them in a hanging basket, is each day when you go out, just put your hand under the bottom of the basket and feel the weight. If it's heavy, it'll be wet and doesn't need watering, and if it's light, then you'll need to go and get a bit of water. If strawberries aren't to your palate, well then today we have very compact growing modern raspberries. This is a variety called Ruby Beauty. It will come to about 18 inches or so high, will crop in the autumn, and if I just tip it, then next summer in June or July those old canes will bear a few fruits. I cut those out, and then we'll have a second crop well into September.